If you're looking for a way to engage your child in what they are reading, our Lift the Flap books are designed to do that. This is our Lift and Look series. It is for about 18 months and up. In this one, you're spotting different things on the page. So for example, you're looking for Henny the Hen or two tractors by lifting different flaps. Is that Henny? No. Is that Henny? No, that's not Henny. Where did Henny go? So some of the flaps are big, some of them are small. It is a thick board book. So again, it's designed for our younger kids, and there are about 6 or 8 different titles in this series, including airplanes and under the sea and trains and construction sites. Again, this is our Lift and Look series. Recommended to start about 3 years old is the Peek Inside series. This is Peek Inside the Sea. These are nonfiction books that you are lifting the flaps to find out information. So what can you discover if you peek inside the sea? As the waves lap onto the shore and an anemone uncurls its wiggly tentacles and a spotted fish swims away. So you're opening all different size flaps in all different areas to discover more information. Some of the pages have multi-layer flaps, and some of them have single flaps, but they all work in different ways. So these are really cool. At about 4 years old, it's recommended that you start our Look Inside series. This is Look Inside Your Body for some science lovers. Again, all nonfiction. You get to learn about your body, and you get to answer questions. So here's our mouth. You open it up, you find out information about your teeth. Your teeth crush your food, so it's mushy enough to swallow. There are lots of flaps on each of these pages. As you discover different things about how you digest food, particularly in this book and on this page. But again, there are many different books in our Look Inside series. I just wanted you to see inside one of them. For about 7 and older, there is our See Inside series. So this is See Inside How Things Work. It looks into things like simple machines, movers and shakers. This one has over 90 flaps to lift. Here's Getting Going. So you're opening a big page. As you can see, there's a lot more text inside of these, but multi-layers of flaps as well to engage your reader and have them find out and discover the information by opening the flaps. And then if you have a child who asks a lot of questions, we have 3 different options for you. So we have our very first questions and answers series. This is What is Poop, which is my 3-year-old son's favorite. But it's very simple information. So poop is what drops into the potty. It gets caught by a baby's diaper. It's what falls into the toilet. It's smelly, it's squishy, but what is poop? So this is a really simple, very simple very first questions and answers. Then there is First Questions and Answers, which has a little bit more information. This is how do animals talk. You can see, do animals chat like we do? Can parrots talk in our language? So it has a little bit more depth to it, a little bit more advanced information that you find on the pages. And then finally, we have our Lift the Flap questions and answers. So we've gone from very first to actual questions and answers. This one is about dinosaurs, and these are all formatted in the WH, in order of WH. So when and where, how questions, what questions. So what were dinosaur teeth like? And we get to open and find out information. You know, T-Rex's teeth were long as a banana. They were all different sizes. So these are what questions. So they have each page has a different WH question on it and lots of flaps to open. So there are some of our Lift the Flap books.